It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. Listen real close. Man, I hope everybody's safe. I love this. It don't get no better than thunderstorm. You can still hear them sirens going off. You see the lightning. I don't think it's over. It just got started, to be honest.
Perfect.
It's storming out here, man. We got tornado warnings. I know y'all hear the sirens. If y'all don't, listen real close. It's so bad out here.
Perfect.
Man, I hope everybody's safe. You know what I mean? Y'all make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Y'all know what's going on, man. We got bad water. Bad water out here. Tornado warning. Straight line wind. You got me up. You got me up. Yeah, man. Real scary life stuff out here, man. What's going on out here? You know, lightning, thundering, you know. There's a whole lot going on out here. The atmosphere just lit. Hey, this my type of water, man. This my type of water. I love this. It don't get no better than thunderstorm. Straight up, it don't get no better than thunderstorm. Water-wise, this my favorite water. Like, y'all know I'm in love with the water, so like I just got up out the bed to come out here and see this. You can still hear them sirens going off. You see the lightning. You hear the sirens. But yeah, man, I just wanted to give y'all a little glimpse of what's going on here. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. And straight line wind and tornado siren came through my town. So, I don't think it's over. It just got started, to be honest. But I think I'm about to go and get back in the house. I'ma let God get finished doing what he got to do out here. I'ma get out the way. So y'all know YouTube rule, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I want you to share this video out. You know, share it out to the world, man. Straight line wind just came through. Tornado warning going off. Y'all can hear it. Hey, man. Like, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell. And y'all stay tuned.